minutes.
New developments at 6 concerning the coronavirus. We just confirmed Duke University is the latest institution to update its travel policies. Effective immediately, Duke is restricting travel to China, Iran, Italy, South Korea, and Japan.
And we know the person diagnosed with having coronavirus attends services at Christ the King Lutheran Church in Cary. The senior pastor tells us the church is working with the Wake County Health Department, but there is no cause for concern for members of the congregation.
CBS 17's Colleen Quigley is live in Cameron Village, where he ate dinner Saturday night. Colleen.
Yeah, Marius and Angela, a lot of people today in and around Cameron Village praising the restaurant behind me, Soka, for their transparency. They tell us they only found out yesterday that this man had dined there Saturday night. So immediately they put a list together of all of their staff members, all of the diners who were there that night, seeing who could have been exposed to the coronavirus. And today they hired professional cleaners to sanitize and disinfect the restaurant. They are actually open for business tonight. There are people inside. They wrote on an Instagram post that, quote, Soka is perfectly safe place to eat and work tonight and in the days and weeks to come. The video you're looking at right now is actually from a CBS 17 report last week on Enviromaster. That's the company hired to clean Soka, and the owner of Enviromaster telling us they are confident their method will get rid of any coronavirus in the restaurant.
It's a hospital-grade germicide that we use, kills 99% of 47 different viruses. We use this germicide in the electrostatic sprayer, which to cover all surfaces. Will actually wrap around the surfaces and all, so it's not just spraying the front side.
Now, to give you a little context here, you'll remember health officials tell us this patient returned from Washington State on February 22nd, and we now know that on February 29th, they ate at Soka and then 3 days later presumptively tested positive for the coronavirus. Now, a lot of you have asked us to ask health officials for some more information on that time, on that week period between when they came back from Washington State and when they were tested for coronavirus. It's something we have asked for. Local officials telling us they have to follow protocol from the state, but said they have actively reached out to anyone who may have been exposed during that time. Reporting live in Raleigh, Colleen Quigley, CBS 17 News.